We've been seeing all these crazy new TikTok trends, and we decided to brave it for you guys and try it before you deny it.
Since it's summer and grilling season, we decided to jump in with a summer staple, hot dogs with peanut butter.
So I've got Skippy peanut butter, of course, with QB mayonnaise, ketchup, and bacon bits. So this is how I normally eat my hot dogs, sans the peanut butter. But I feel like it doesn't make it bad.
No,
It
yeah.
tastes like pretty normal.
The bacon bits.
I like
Give it a little bit something to distract you
From the stickiness of
from
the
the
peanut
stickiness
butter.
of the peanut.
Okay, I see mustard. Whose one is this?
This one is mine. But this is also how I eat my hot dogs. I'm very plain and I prefer just mustard on my hot dogs. But now we have peanut butter. So
Mustard. Same. Mustard is not my
mustard is the
favorite.
most healthy condiment, so let's try it.
No.
I think the peanut butter is even more strong than the mustard actually.
It's not the peanut butter like specifically though that like I am straight up denying. It's the combination of the mustard and the peanut butter together.
Such tang.
Okay, I'm last. It's PB&J, and this is not how I eat my hot dogs, but we decided to be brave and try it, so let's give it a shot. I like it.
It's not
I'm not mad about this.
I
mean, peanut butter and jelly sandwich is good.
So just
hot
not a hot
dogs
dog.
are good. Together,
It's good.
they're pretty good.
But would you make this again?
Possibly, yeah.
If I had nothing else.
I mean, these are staples that you would have in your pantry, right? Yeah.
Okay, so we've all tried it, and it's now, do we deny it? 1, 2, 3. So it looks like we all like it, we've all tried it, and it's a go. So go ahead and try it. Let us know if you deny it, or if you think of something else you want us to try, leave us a note in the comment below, and stay tuned till next time.